Step 1 of creating your Zentangle shell design. So on the side of this PowerPoint that's been presented to you, you will see two pictures. You'll see a photograph of a shell and an outline. The outline is just there to help you if you're struggling a little bit with a photograph. So from drawing in lessons, to get an accurate drawing, we know that we can use a method called basic shapes, which is where we break an image down into just the basic shapes. So this example here, I can see a triangle, a nice big triangle, and a little circle. So step 1, I'm just going to very lightly with my pencil just draw out a nice big triangle and a little circle. If you're using a sheet of paper, you want to be using at least half of it when you're drawing. But we're going to do this really lightly with our pencil. The reason that we have to draw lightly is just in case we make a mistake, we can rub it out. So there we go, there's my nice big triangle, and I'm always looking at the picture when I'm drawing. And there's my circle. So I've done it nice and lightly. So the next step, after you've done your basic shapes, you're just going to look at the picture and you're going to get a little bit more detail in. So I'm just going to start off on the triangular shape bit. Now I can see that at the top there's a lovely big curve. So I'm very lightly just going to draw that in. It's almost like the picture, it's got little ridges on it. The shell's got little ridges. And that just continues down the shell. So this drawing is really nice and easy for me because I've already got that basic shape just to help me. And I am pressing lightly because there is little bits and bobs that I'm probably going to change. And continuing down, and as we get down you can see in the photograph here that these lovely little curvy ridges, they get smaller and smaller as they come down. So they're just going to get thinner as they're coming down. And then they get tiny towards the end. There we go, just like that. Then if we come back up to the top, it's almost like a carrot shape. When we do come back up to the top, I'm just checking that it's nice and accurate. So accurate means that it looks just like the picture. On this part here, it comes in, and then it's almost like it, on the outside of the circle shape that I'm just going to draw. It's got like a little outside part, and I am sketching lightly. I am just rubbing parts away that I might need to change. And we always start drawing off with a sketch. So there we go, I've got the nice outline of the shell.